Right, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a video on my Ford Transit with the engine management light on it. I think I know what it is because it's happened before. So let's have a little look at this. Before I get into this video as well, I just want to say a big thanks to Rob from Salvage Rebuild UK and to Paul at Cars for Paul, which I've been watching their videos over the last few months, and yeah, quite inspiring really to sort of get involved and do my own videos and upload them to YouTube, because you know I do my own sort of mechanical works and bits and pieces, and I like fixing things and getting things sort of fixed and stuff. So yeah, big thanks to them, because you know, if it wasn't for them, if it wasn't for you know me viewing their videos, I wouldn't be doing this and doing my own videos. So yeah, thanks very much, boys. Right, let's get to it then. So the engine management light is up on, sorry about that guys, sorry, engine management light is up on the dash. Let's put it up now. There you go. So I think I know what it is because I've had it up before. But I've just changed the EGR valve on this van because it came up a couple of months ago, and I've got a funny feeling it's that again. So let's plug in the computer. Now the port for the transits, sorry about that guys, so I'm just starting a motorbike. So the port for the transit is down here. So I'm just going to plug her in. Plug her in like that. Let's get into it. Put the key in. Second turn. Press enter. So there you go. One code found. Let's read that code. Asking us for manufacturers, which is obviously a Ford. So let's go down to Ford. Like that. There you go. P1409 EGR valve vacuum regulator. So what happened was I originally changed the EGR valve, but I think it was like a Chinese knockoff. Got it off eBay pretty cheap. It's lasted about 2 months, really, if that. I'll show you where it is. EGR valve. So the EGR valve is right down there in the back. I don't know if you can see that. It's this thing here, right at the back. It's got all pipes connected to it, and obviously it goes to the exhaust, and it gives the exhaust gases another crack at going through the engine, and it's supposed to sort of help on emissions and help on all that side of it. So it's obviously fouled, but I don't know why it's failed again, really. Whether or not it was just a dodgy, cheap knockoff Chinese part that I got, because it was cheap, it was only like 35 quid off eBay. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to find out another way of cleaning the engine out, or cleaning it. I took it off already and cleaned it, but it's just not having it, it's just not doing it. So yeah, I don't know if I need to buy a more expensive one, or you know, there's another reason for it. I don't know if, you know, anyone's got any ideas, leave them in the comments. Yeah, much appreciated, and I'll give it a go and see what it's all about. But yeah, this is a full transit, long wheelbase high top, quite a big van, my big van for work. And I just need to, yeah, fix this EGR valve, obviously. So yeah, thanks for viewing, yeah, if you've got any comments, please, you know, leave me a comment if you know obviously what it is, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks very much.